What's going on, and welcome to another reaction video. Today I have for you some more JJ Lin, and this is called No Noise Danube. All right, damn, I probably said that wrong, but this is called Sounds of My Dreams Season 3. All right, before we get started, guys, like always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on the channel. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. All right, a lot of videos going up. I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys for all the support. Thank you, I love y'all. And let's get right into the video, okay? That was a lot to say. With these JJ Lin videos, because I know there's a lot of you guys that like him. The reason why I have to blur it out, and I'm gonna say this in the other two that I'm gonna react to, because I'm reacting to 3 tonight. The reason why I blur them out is because I don't know if it's JJ Lin's page or I don't know, but for some reason his videos are always getting blocked. So I have to blur them out to like 50%, and then that sometimes get blocked, and I blur it out to 30%. All right, so I'm sorry that most of the time in the video this is what you guys see. All right, but hey, I'm trying, guys. All right, I'm trying. But hope you guys like it nevertheless. All right, I love y'all. Let's get right into it. Smile, check the profile. Got my water right here. Let's go, JJ, man.
爱让谁落泪
Okay. Hey. He's like, hey. Oh, he's over here hitting that Michael Jackson.
流水不知去向，往事在每一页陪伤心人入睡，爱怎会疲惫？你一去不回，你的起点。
You know what I noticed? JJ Lin, he's always so stylish. Like, look at what he's wearing, yo. Yeah. Why don't I have that sense of style? It's crazy.
我不停地追逐那黑色的幸福，就像是蒙上眼睛追逐你的路。我扬起往前风帆，告诉你我好孤单，在悠悠蓝蓝多烦恼多恼。
Oh, okay. See, he get that Michael Jackson, I told you.
会疲惫，你一去不回，你的起点，也许是我永远到不了的终点，让我飘飘荡荡。我不停地追逐那黑色的幸福，就像是蒙上眼睛追逐你的路。我扬起往前风帆，告诉你我好孤单，在悠悠蓝蓝多烦恼多恼。
They all love him. Oh my god.
我企图欺骗自己，爱情没有烦恼，只是你没有目标，让我
judge. Oh, yo, he killed it. This was excellent. This was excellent. I loved it. Wow, JJ Lin. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. But like I said before in the beginning of the video, guys, if this video is blurred out, it's because it was blocked and I had to re-render it. All right. I'm so sorry about that. There's nothing that I could do once it gets blocked except make it blurry for you guys. You know, I'm so sorry. I hope you guys understand. But I love and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Peace.